Alright, and good morning. It is Thursday, the 2nd of December, and just a little quick overlook in the markets. We got, let's have a look who the biggest winner is for yesterday. IOTA. Interesting, the last 7 days, Terra Luna and Basic Attention Token and Polygon are up there. Terra Luna with 67% in a week. Pretty neat. Still wish I wouldn't have sold it. But we got Basic Attention Token for 26% up, 27% almost, so that's pretty good too. In general, Bitcoin 56, almost 57,000, Ethereum 46, so you see it's all kind of hovering around there. We'll eventually though do another big move in this bull market. Uniswap's going back up, and everything else is kind of like hovering around. Elrond is quite down. That's a good time to buy more, I would say. It will take some time for the next run, but so you get some time for accumulation there. And that's about it. Anyways, let's move on. Today I want to just have a really short look at what Web3 really is, and Pillar, which has been around for a long time now. They are silently working on all this. They don't really get much hype. Their token hasn't done anything really this year. They do have a working app, and they do have a second layer with ENS, or Ethereum based namespaces, so that's very interesting. But that's all, it's just another token that really focuses on trying to have the user in control of his data, and that's what the whole Web3 idea is. So in Web2 you basically create a lot of data, but you don't make any money with it. The big corporations, they use your data, you're participating in the Web2, and they use your data and sell it. Now Web3 is a new kind of internet where you should be in control of this traffic flow, and that's possible because everything on this Web3 needs a validated transaction. And because of that, we have a little bit of a problem with Ethereum because transactions are so high. So this connects provided data or triggers an action somewhere by two parties that acknowledge each other without the participation of third parties. And that is the essence of Web3. So you can interact with another party directly, and you don't need a third party for verification at all. With this scenario, you ensure you are in control, a master and commander of your data, whether that means your identity, transaction, access to resources, or permission to perform actions. Only you determine what and how it is used. So a lot of people probably don't care about this, but there's big corporations, they make multi-million billion dollars a year just because of this, just because they are in control of your data. So why not you being in control of your data and let it work for you and let it make money for you? And it has already begun. DeFi is Web3 at its core, and DeFi, which means decentralized finance, users are the first to experience its advantages and risks. They know the importance of owning resources and data and the responsibility that comes with it. And so if you want, this is a very interesting webinar where they talk for about an hour about where we came from and where this whole Web3 will go. Very, very interesting. So I made just 2-3 little notes. It basically has to do with peer-to-peer payments. It has to do with managing your data and your money. And it also, the idea is so you'll have like a digital identity, and that is verifiable through different apps through different platforms. And so you will become the owner of your information, of your digital identity, and you can monetize that. So but there's way more in this video. I highly recommend you watch this. They probably explain it much better than I do, but yeah, so a little snack about Web3. Alright, that was it. I wish you a wonderful day.